We're going to do another example of how to use negative exponents alongside all of the other exponent laws we've learned so far. So this question says, simplify using exponent laws. Write your final answers using positive exponents. And our question is 13 to the power of -2, and then that is to the power of 6. So when I have a power with another power on it, what you can do is leave the base the same and then multiply your exponents. This rule works when you have one base with more than one exponent. So here I have one base of 13, and then I have two different exponents. So on my next line, I'm going to click there, I'm going to type equals, and then 13 to the -2 to the power of 6. The base is still 13, and then I am going to multiply the two powers together. So -2 times 6, if I use that scientific calculator that's built in. Now there isn't a separate negative button, but you can actually use the minus key, which you cannot do on all calculators, but you can on this one. So -2 times 6 gives me -12. So I write here that this is 13 to the power of -12. So to get that power, I want to use that caret symbol. Looks like a circumflex or an up arrow. It's above the 6 on your keyboard. So I'm going to do Shift and 6 to make it an exponent, and then just type -2 on my keyboard, and I get 13 to the power of -2. Nope, 12. Sorry about that. So I want to do 13 to the power of -12. So the question does ask us to use positive exponents in our answer. So I need to do something with this because it currently has a negative exponent. A negative exponent makes a fraction. So this is going to become 1 over 13 to the power of 12. So I'm going to start by hitting equals. And then to make a fraction, I'm going to use the /. It's next to your shift key, or at least it is on my computer. So I'm going to do my /. I'm going to do 1. And then over, I'm going to arrow down to get down to that denominator. I'm going to put 13, and then I need to do the power of, so I do Shift and 6 again, and then I type in 12. So I get 1 over 13 to the power of 12. Now, I do not need to evaluate that. I don't have to work out what 13 to the power of 12 is because the question just asked me to simplify and did not ask me to evaluate. So my final answer is 1 over 13 to the power of 12.